What's going on, guys? So today I'll be going over the tool called steghide, which is a steganography program that allows you to hide data in various kinds of images or audio files using AES encryption. So I'll be going over the step-by-step commands in order to take two files and embed them into another. So I've gone ahead and created a few examples right here. So I have a sample txt file we'll be embedding into an image. It's a simple file, as well as JPG files. So you can see here, that's Pepe right there, and a Wojak. We got a few different WAV files. So steghide supports WAV, not MP3. So keep that in mind. So it's for this first example, let's go ahead and encrypt, or embed. I keep saying encrypt, but it's not encrypt. It's embed. So let's embed the Wojak JPG using steghide embed dash embed file ef wojak.jpg dash cf cover file, and then the audio file, which is the dual core WAV audio file, dash e, and use, well, their version of AES 256, which is the RIJ and the AEL CBC. So once you run that, it's going to ask you for a password to set for the encryption. Now it's going to go ahead and embed that JPG file into the WAV file. So let's let it do a sting for a few seconds. Now it's done. Now we could go ahead and remove the actual JPG file. The audio is going to play like nothing ever happened. So for the naked eye, it's just the audio file, like so. So if you run steghide info and the audio file name, and press Y, your password, it's going to show you the actual file that's embedded into this audio. So there's the embedded file you have, the encryption you used. So how do we extract that file? We run steghide extract sf and the audio file, enter the password you used, and now it's going to extract that Wojak file again and place it wherever your current working directory is. And it's the same file I showed before. So that's pretty cool. Now let's embed the txt file into a JPG file. So steghide embed ef test.txt.cover file, and then use the Pepe JPG and the 256 encryption to encrypt the file, like so. Set a secure password, and now we could just remove the test since it's already in the JPG. The image is still the same, nothing has changed. Maybe the size of the image increases a bit depending on what file you're embedding, but just keep that in mind. Now let's steghide info Pepe, yes, password. So you can see it has the txt file embedded into it with our encryption of choice. So steghide extract dash sf Pepe, and we have the txt file again, which is hello world. So you could use this, let's say, if you guys have seen Mr. Robot, he uses like different artist albums, like a Metallica album, and basically embeds images in each of the tracks and burns all the tracks on a CD and keeps them stored away, which is a pretty cool example. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But I do believe that in Mr. Robot he used a tool called Deep Sound, which is for Windows, but this is basically the same as steghife. There's not a lot of difference in it. Yeah. Practice good OPSEC. Catch you guys in the next one.